Let me tell you something that might sting a little, but it's true. The way you were taught to find real estate deals is dead, and the investors who don't see it yet are about to get left behind. I get it. You've mailed the postcards, you've cold called the lists, you've chased the same tired leads as every other investor in your market and watched your response rates shrink to almost nothing. It's exhausting, and it's not your fault. You were handed a playbook that stopped working. But here's what changed everything: artificial intelligence. Not someday, right now. I've built a marketing system where AI finds the motivated sellers, reaches out, answers the phone, qualifies the lead, and books the appointment while you sleep. My AI assistants have real conversations with real sellers. They never miss a call, never get tired, and never take a day off. On August 15th, right here in Tampa, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how it works. This isn't theory, it's not hype. It's the same machine I run every single day. When you walk out of that room, you will never look at real estate or marketing the same way again. But the room is small, and when the seats are gone, they're gone. Grab your seat now at tamparia.com, August 15th. Tampa, come see the future of real estate investing before your competition does. I'll see you there.